Russia declares the International Court of Justice judge who issued Putin's arrest warrant, wanted.
Here's a summary of the article.
The Ministry of Internal Affairs of the Russian Federation has announced a wanted list for Timoko Akane, an international criminal court judge, who issued a warrant for the arrest of Russian President Vladimir Putin. A Russian news outlet, citing the Russian Ministry of Internal Affairs. The database of the Russian ministry says that Timoko Akane is wanted under the article of the Criminal Code of Russia. The search card does not indicate the specific article. Akane became the second ICC judge declared wanted in Russia. In May, the Russian Interior Ministry also announced the wanted status of Karim Khan, prosecutor of the International Criminal Court. Background: in March, the International Criminal Court in The Hague issued an arrest warrant for Russian President Vladimir Putin for illegally deporting thousands of children from Ukraine. The warrant means that Putin can be arrested if he goes to any member state of the International Criminal Court.
This post received a score of 16,000, with an upvote ratio of 95%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
Russia. No, you.
They played an Uno reverse card but it wasn't valid in most countries.
Russia's holding the reverse card backwards.
Turns out it wasn't an Uno reverse. It was just a six of clubs.
In fact, it's napkin with a poorly drawn six of clubs smudged with vodka spill stains.
That vodka spill smudge is their version of the Catholic imprimatur. The judicial system loves it when you threaten them. It makes them even more impartial.
The problem is that they are under the misconception that things outside of Russia fiction the same way they do inside of Russia.
Not even mad about that typo.
Leaving it.
Tiny little man shouts angrily at clouds. This comical posturing and chest thumping is bordering on NK levels of ridicule.
The same NK that Shoigu proclaimed recently as strongest military in the world. How did we treat Russia seriously for so long is beyond me.
Nukes. Nukes and the knowledge that they had stockpiled a lot of equipment during the Cold War. I think we underestimated just how much things had degraded for them since the Soviet collapse, but still. Nukes.
As bad as their stockpile is, they only need one that still works. Or even just looks like it still works.
I'm sure that's been their reasoning the whole time too.
And I declare myself King of Cincinnati.
All hail the king.
I didn't vote for him.
There it is.
Well, the Russians have an embassy over here in The Hague where, as we have learned, they keep a lot of secret agents, and the ICC is also in the city. I suggest they try and pull this off. I'll be the one on the side chewing popcorn.
Greater than I suggest they try and pull this off. That's very easy to suggest since, presumably, you're not judges Tomoko Akane or Rosario Salvatore Aitala, or prosecutor Karim Khan. Russia has shown it's not afraid to assassinate political foes. Do I think this is anything more than political bluster? No. Would I want to be any of those individuals, or individuals around them including security, family, and/or friends? Absolutely not.
Greater than Russia has shown it's not afraid to assassinate political foes. Political internal foes, yes. But, I really don't think Putin has the kishkas to assassinate an international criminal court judge in an allied NATO country. He's crazy and kinda stupid, but not that stupid.
They assassinated political enemies in Berlin.
But were they Germans or were they Russians who happened to be in Berlin? I know they've assassinated Russian nationals who were abroad before, but I've genuinely never heard of a confirmed case of them assassinating foreign political rivals before.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.